Good afternoon, everyone. This is a talk on plication versus resection. See, both plication and resection are strengthening procedures. Plication is a time-old procedure where initially they used to tuck the muscle on itself, but nowadays the modified plication, we tuck the muscle on itself and suture it to the sclera. This is compared with the resection. Actually, Dr. Kenneth Wright has published a paper on this. I'll show you a small video about plication. Plication, the rectus muscle is isolated on the muscle hook, and the 6-0 vicryl suture are passed at the desired plication amount posterior to the insertion, and then the sutures are passed using partial scleral thickness passes adjacent to the muscle insertion, that is in front of the muscle insertion. And then when you pull on these sutures, the muscle gets folded on itself, and it becomes tight like that. You can see the fold now, and then the suture is tight enough, and if you want, you can put extra sutures. That is how plication is done. And coming to the advantages of plication over resection, you see, the first and foremost, this is less traumatic. Here the muscle is not cut, so there is less trauma to the ciliary circulation and the nerves, and there is less postoperative pain. Because of the less surgical trauma, there is bleeding is less, risk of anterior segment ischemia is not there, risk of lost muscle is not at all there, and the chances of slipped muscle, stress scar, etc. are also not there. So plication is superior in its safety when you compare it with resection. Plication is reversible if you do it in the early stages. And the often quoted disadvantage is that it will produce an unsightly scar. But in my cases, I have not seen an unsightly scar. See, I'll show you the plication. I'll quote Dr. Demmer. He has said that plication does not produce a unsightly scar. This picture is of my own personal collection. This is the second day. You can see that this scar is not very thick. The next disadvantage often quoted is that resection is time tested while plication is not time tested. But there is enough long-term results already available now to show that there is a sustained effect of plication. Remember, science progress only when new things are tried. This is, I will show you a personal collection, residual exotropia after bilateral resection. I wanted to do medial rectus resection. I did a plication on the medial rectus, left medial rectus. You can see that the eyes are straight 2 weeks later, and the cosmetic advantage is very good. And I have reviewed the literature. I'm quoting 2 articles, one from Chowdhury et al. And the other Sukuja et al. Both of them have compared large number of plications versus resection, and ultimate long-term results are comparable. That is the literature study. And is it possible to do adjustable suture? Yes, that also is possible. Adjustable sutures technique also is possible. So I would like to conclude that modified plication is always superior to resection. This is safer and faster, equally effective. There is no risk of muscle slippage or lost muscle. The cosmesis is superior. And if something prevents you from doing it, it's only your mind block. Thank you.